Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a stop on Uber ride, trip customization step by step clearly. Open the Uber app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Check that your location services are turned on so Uber can detect your pickup point. On the home screen, tap the Where to search bar. Enter your final destination in the destination field. Confirm your pickup location at the top and adjust it if the PIN is not correct. Look for the option that lets you add another stop near the destination field. Tap the plus icon or the Add Stop button to create an extra stop. A new stop field will appear between your pickup and final destination. Tap the New Stop field to start typing the address or place name. Select the correct stop from the list of suggestions. If you want to add more than one stop, tap the plus icon again. Fill in each additional stop by searching and selecting the right place. Reorder your stops if the app allows it by dragging them into the correct sequence. Double-check the route order so the driver goes to each stop the way you want. Tap the Ride Options or Vehicle Type section to choose your preferred Uber service. Review the estimated price and note that extra stops can change the total fare. Review the estimated arrival time and the pickup time shown on the screen. If you see a note about stop time limits, plan to keep each stop short. Tap Confirm or Done to save the stops in your trip plan. Tap Request or Confirm Uber to send the trip with stops to a driver. When a driver accepts, check the trip screen to confirm all stops are listed. If you need to change a stop during the ride, open the trip details screen. Tap Edit Trip or add or change to modify stops while you are on the way. Enter the updated stop information and confirm the changes. Send a quick message to the driver in chat if the change is important or time sensitive. When you reach a stop, be ready to exit and return quickly to avoid extra waiting charges. If you decide to remove a stop, edit the trip and delete that stop from the list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.